Looking for an easy way to show off your new pair? Hi, I'm Shannon from Pair Eyewear, and I'm going to show you how to use our Reels template on Instagram that's perfect for all your unboxing needs. Let's go. First, go to Instagram, then go to our profile at Pair Eyewear, and then hit the Guides button. Then hit our Reels template guide and find the Reels template that is called Unbox with Me. Once you find that video, hit the Use Template button at the bottom. And this is where the fun really begins. Here, you'll be able to add specific clips like opening up your glasses box, showing off your cleaning cloth, showing off your pair, of course, and the top frames you got as well. So as you can see, I include clips of myself opening up my box, opening up my glasses case, showing off my sun tops and top frames, and showing off my base frame style as well. When you're finished, you want to hit the Done button at the bottom right corner, and here you'll be able to add stuff like stickers, filters, and text as well. Now this would be a perfect time to use our branded Giphy stickers too, just letting you know. When you're all done making it as perfect as you want it to be, you want to hit the Next button at the bottom right corner, write in your caption, talk about your pair and how much you love it, and share it with the rest of the world. And be sure to tag us in the final product when it's done. We cannot wait to see what you guys make with this. Have fun!